Vivo has silently launched its new budget-friendly phone under Y series in Philippines called Vivo Y03t. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y03t features a 6.56-inch HD+ display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture, along with the 0.08-megapixel auxiliary lens with f3.0 aperture. Under the hood, the Vivo Y03t comes powered by Uni-SoC T612 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 14, based on FunTouch OS 14 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.63 by 75.58 by 8.39 millimeters, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y03t has been priced in Philippines at 4,399 Philippine pesos, and it is now available for purchase in the country in space black and gem green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y03t smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.